I would not recommend drifting with your groceries in your car. I'm obnoxious. Still. Alright, and we're gonna swing around the pole.
Oh boy. There go my chips.
Line lock, full brakes, clutch first gear. Holding okay to initialize. To engage firmly, apply brake and hold. Engage, press OK to begin. Press OK to release. Holy shit.
Like I give you a thumbs up.
Oh, nice. As you can see, the effects of drifting with your groceries in the car is it's not good. As a professional, I would not recommend drifting with your groceries in your car. Now, obviously, there's some times where, you know, you have to survive, and I get that, you know, that's kind of the situation we were in tonight. But, I don't know, professionally, in my professional opinion, it's not recommended, you know. But, so maybe carry, like, tie downs every time you go grocery shopping, because if you're in an emergency and you have to go drift, then you should probably tie your groceries up, because that's going to be really difficult to carry in now. And honestly, I kind of blame her, because, you know, she only held on to the eggs and the glass bottle, which is fine, but, you know, sometimes, you know, a little more effort.
Well, you're carrying in the groceries. I'm going in.
What the